Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the earphones, then put them in pairing mode so they broadcast. Next, open your phone settings and turn Bluetooth on. This lets the phone discover the earphones. Make sure Google Assistant and system firmware are updated so compatibility is smooth. Outdated software can block audio routing. Once done, keep both devices close together and unlocked so pairing prompts appear immediately. This reduces connection errors and speeds the process. You now pair the earphones to your phone. In Bluetooth settings, choose the earphones listed under Available Devices, then accept the pair request. If a PIN or code appears, confirm it matches on both devices. This ensures a secure link. After pairing, check the connection type. Confirm it's connected for audio or media output so Assistant can play through them. Once paired, test a quick sound or voice prompt to verify audio routing before invoking the Assistant. You finish by telling Google Assistant to use the earphones. Open Assistant settings, go to Devices or Bluetooth Audio, and select your paired earphones as the preferred output. This ensures voice responses and media stream to the earphones rather than the phone speaker. If the Assistant still plays through the phone, restart Assistant or reboot your phone to refresh audio routing. If problems persist, unpair and repair the earphones. This often clears lingering profile or codec mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.